Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 23rd June. Let's start. In the year of 1761, on this day, the Maratha ruler Peshwa Balaji Bajirao passed away. In the year of 1810, on this day, the construction work of Duncan Duck in Bombay had been completed. In the year of 1868, on this day, Christopher L. Soles received a patent for a typewriter. In the year of 1912, on this day, Alan Turing, English mathematician and computer scientist, was born. In the year of 1934, on this day, Birbhadra Singh, former Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, was born. In the year of 1953, on this day, Syama Prasad Mukherjee, the founder of Jansang, died in a hospital in Kashmir. In the year of 1960, on this day, a security agreement was signed between Japan and the US. In the year of 1980, on this day, Sanjay Gandhi, the younger son of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, died in a plane crash. In the year of 1985, on this day, an Air India passenger plane crashed in the air off the coast of Ireland. All 329 passengers died. In the year of 1992, on this day, Gotti, a New York crime lord and head of the region's largest mafia family, was sentenced to life in prison on 5 counts of fraud and murder. In the year of 1994, on this day, the United Nations General Assembly approved the membership of South Africa. In the year of 1994, on this day, North Korea announced a halt to its nuclear program. In the year of 1996, on this day, Sheikh Hasina Wajid took oath as the Prime Minister of Bangladesh. In the year of 2008, on this day, JK Tyre India Limited, the country's leading tyre maker, has acquired Mexican tire company Tornap and its subsidiaries for $270 million. In the year of 2013, on this day, Nick Wallenda became the first person to cross the Grand Canyon Hill on a rope. In the year of 2014, on this day, Rani Ki Vav of Gujarat and Great Himalayan National Park of Himachal Pradesh included in the World Heritage List. In the year of 2016, on this day, the people of Britain voted to leave the European Union. 51.9% of the votes were cast in favor of proposal, while 48.1% opposed it. In the year of 2020, on this day, Union States and Pakistan's efforts to designate an Indian national as a global terrorist. Pakistan produced an Indian national before the United Nations Security Council 1267 sanctions committee to designate a terrorist. However, it failed to present sufficient evidence. In the year of 2020, on this day, Dr. Nirakar Pradhan had been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of the Professional Risk Manager International Association. In the year of 2020, on this day, GEM made it mandatory for all sellers to mention their country of origin while registering new products. Sellers who want to sell their Make in India or Atmanirbhar Bharat products on the government e-marketplace will now have to mention their country of origin. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.